You see any kids puking over the side, Dion?
You know, I don't have hardly much better of a view. My zoom's not real zoomy.
Eddie. Come on over here, Cole. Where are you at? Where's Daddy? Watch. No. Wait, when he comes in, and when he comes in. Oh, you're gonna sit right there?
Are they all standing up?
No.
Can you see them standing up?
Uh-huh.
The kids too?
No, Cole. Mom said no.
Can you see all the kids?
Oh my God, he's gonna run over that rock.
Oh!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Here!
Fire. Ahoy, mate. Quite a ride, wasn't it? We learned something yesterday? Well, I think all the little swabs learned a lesson of whitewater rafting. Aunt Carla learned she should have been wearing her padded bra. And Uncle Alan, he got an F in rock spotting. But Mike, he got an A in swimming. And 3 points for that dive. Quite a deal. What we should all learn and think about. Yeah. Checking the damage on the boat here. Yeah. Uncle Mike's shorts. Whew. Why, I guess he did get scared. Well, nothing the little bleach won't take care of. Anyways, Uncle Dan, he probably go back to skippering rowboats. So we'll see you swabs later.